What's up everyone, Cooking It with Ed back with another video, and who doesn't love a good old burgers and fries? Sweet potato fries, that is. But yeah, we're gonna get right into the video, and as you can see I am cutting up a pepper, and I will soon be following that up with a onion. And you don't have to use a whole onion, but I like onions, so yeah, I use a whole onion. So the peppers and onions just need to be diced, but if you want, you can just throw it in a NutriBullet or any type of blender that you have that can easily chop it up for you. Keep in mind it will create a lot of juices from the vegetables, so I would strain those juices out before you mix it in with the meat. So y'all don't be discouraged when cutting these sweet potatoes now, because I was struggling a little bit too. As you can see now, I'm cutting off the outer part of the potato in a way, and I'm kind of making a flat surface or a flatter potato so that way I can cut the potato like this into a rectangular shape, so that way when you stack them together you can just go down the line and cut them into some bigger matchsticks, so that way all the potatoes can be even and cook even as well. Okay everyone, on to the burger mixture. Like I said, we're just gonna keep it simple, and we're gonna add the onions, the peppers, and then a few seasonings, being garlic, paprika, and my favorite, Kinder's salt, pepper, garlic mixture. And then after, we mix. So now everyone, we're going to form the patties, and you can really make them as big as you want, but you really want to try and make them probably a little bit bigger than the burger buns that they're going to be on. We do that because in the cooking process they will shrink, but we make them a little bit bigger so that way they fit on the burger and we don't have sliders in the end. That leftover meat I ended up saving for later so I can make me an extra burger for a snack. Now, being that the burgers are pretty flat, I cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, but you can really cook them to your preferred doneness. As you can see, when I flipped the burger, it had a good little caramelization on it, and that's what we're looking for when we're making the burgers, because we don't want to be caught out here with pale burgers. Probably about a minute or so before the burgers are done, you can cut the heat and throw whatever cheese you preferred on there. I like a good old American sliced cheese, and you can just pour a little bit of water in there, cover the burgers, and let them steam for a bit to melt the cheese. Onto the sweet potato fries, and for these we did the double fry method, and that's when you first fry the fries at a lower temperature and then take them out and bring the heat up of the oil, and then you fry them at a higher temperature. As you can see, we have a few guests in the video, Rocco and Rose, ready for me to drop something or anything at least. Now that the fries are looking golden and crispy, we can move on to the buns. Buns. For the buns, I prefer a good brioche, but whatever you can get your hands on is fine. And we're just gonna toast them for a bit, get a little crust on the side, and afterwards we move to the plating. Assembly time, folks, and we're going to be doing a good simple burger like we said before. So just the patties, the lettuce, tomato, and onion. My wife doesn't like tomato, so we skipped tomato on hers, and we didn't have any pickles, and we really didn't care for pickles, but we're kind of like, if the pickles are on the burger, then yeah, but if they're not, oh well. Wifey likes ketchup with her fries, and me personally, I like ranch, so we had a little bit of ketchup and ranch. Hope you all enjoy.